How to turn on or off Bumble notification. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off Bumble notification. To get started, let's open Bumble app. This is your home page. Here you can see many icons. Go to your profile icon. This will navigate you to the profile page. Now you can see in the top right corner, there is a setting icon. Tap on it. Here, search for the notification setting. So click on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Now click on New Message. So here you can turn on or turn off the notification. So this is how you can turn on or off the notification on Bumble. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.